Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? You've tried everything, but nothing seems to work. Well, what if I told you the secret to a flatter stomach isn't in some expensive pill, but right in your grocery aisle? Look at these beautiful, fresh mushrooms and leafy greens. They're not just food, they're your secret weapon against unwanted fat. When you hear that sizzle in the pan with a little olive oil and garlic, that's the sound of your metabolism getting ready to fire up. So, how does it work? Imagine your fat cells are like tiny, overstuffed balloons. The incredible fiber in mushrooms acts like a broom for your gut, sweeping away toxins and waste that keep you bloated and sluggish. This process helps your body shrink those fat cells naturally. It's all about your gut microbiome. Our gut is home to trillions of tiny bacteria, and keeping them happy is key to weight loss. Foods like mushrooms, beans, and lentils are packed with prebiotics, which is the favorite food for your good gut bacteria. When they feast on this fiber, they multiply, creating a healthy, balanced gut environment that's a fat-burning machine. An unhealthy gut, on the other hand, filled with processed junk, just can't keep up. Ready to supercharge your morning? Try this fat-burning smoothie. Just blend mushrooms, spinach, oats, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a delicious, creamy way to start your day with a clean gut and a fired-up metabolism. You'll feel full, energized, and ready to take on anything. Let's visualize the difference. On one side, you have greasy, processed junk food that clogs your system and feeds the bad bacteria. On the other, you have this powerhouse combination of mushrooms and fiber. The fiber forms a gel-like substance in your intestines, acting like a gentle sponge that scrubs your gut lining clean. This isn't just about feeling lighter. It's about helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and burn fat more effectively. Mushrooms are truly a fat-burning. They are incredibly low in calories but high in fiber and protein, which helps you feel fuller for longer. This means you'll naturally eat less throughout the day without feeling deprived. Think of them as nature's appetite suppressants. Combine them with other fiber-rich champions like lentils, beans, guava, and oats, and you have the ultimate gut-cleansing team. Each one of these foods plays a vital role in creating a healthy digestive system that works for you, not against you. When your gut is clean, amazing things happen. Your metabolism speeds up, helping you burn calories even when you're resting. This is because a healthy gut can process food more efficiently, turning it into energy instead of storing it as fat. We've seen incredible transformations. People who consistently add mushrooms and fiber to their diet often notice a significant reduction in belly fat. Their energy levels soar, and that constant bloated feeling disappears. Picture a delicious, creamy bowl of mushroom soup. It's warm, satisfying, and packed with benefits. Low in calories, high in fiberites, the perfect meal for your weight loss journey. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and cravings for sugary snacks. Your gut is the control center for your health. A healthy gut, glowing and efficient, keeps your entire body in balance. A sluggish gut, clogged with low-fiber foods, can lead to weight gain, low energy, and poor health. The choice is simple. By choosing mushrooms and fiber, you're choosing to fuel your body with clean, powerful nutrients. So, next time you feel that frustrating pinch of belly fat, remember, the solution is simple and delicious. That sizzle of mushrooms in a pan is the sound of your body getting healthier. It's time to sweep away the fat and reveal a healthier, more energetic you. Start today. Fill your basket with mushrooms, guava, beans, oats, and leafy greens. Make them a staple in your diet. Whether you're jogging at sunrise or climbing stairs, you'll feel the difference that a clean gut makes. You'll have more energy and feel lighter and more confident. Look in the mirror and smile at the person you're becoming. Strong, healthy, and in control. Remember, mushrooms plus fiber equals a clean gut and a fat-burning body. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life.